So what you can also do is you can generate out diagrams by using ChatGPT. So in order to do that, you need to go around over here onto the Explore GPT section, and then what you can do is you can scroll down around over here. Under productivity, you can see that diagrams, show me chart presentation code is an option, as you can see right here. So let's just go around and start this right here. So now I'm going to go around and let's say let it make a diagram for me. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say make a flowchart of a computer program which takes two input as numbers and adds them right here, just like this. So now I told it to make a flowchart, as you can see right here. So you need to allow it to access diagrams right here, as you can see, and then it connects with diagrams, as you can see right here. So it's talking to diagrams, as you can see right here, and it says here is a graph just like this. So here is a graph diagram illustrating the flowchart of a computer program that takes two inputs as numbers and adds them out. So you can see that you can view this full screen, or you can download this right here. You can also go around and then edit this with Miro right here, which allows you to actually go around and then open this up in a separate application so that you can go around and further edit this out, as you can see right here. So there's the diagram, as you can see right here, which you can go around and then change it out according to how you want. So you can also go around and let's say, for example, let's say that you want to have two different outputs right here, where if the number is less than 10, where the number is less than 10, it outputs multiplication, and if not, it outputs addition right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it says I'll update out the chart right here and starts out the action, as you can see right here. So now if I were to go around and allow right here, just like this, as you can see right here, then it'll simply go around and generate out the diagram, as you can see right here. It's not a perfect flowchart right here, but you can see that this is what you have. So this input first number, input second number, add two numbers. Is the sum less than 10? Then if yes, then it'll follow this, and if no, it'll follow this, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto edit with Miro right here, then it'll simply go around and then open that out right here, just like this. So this is the diagram that you have right here. You can also go around and let's say, for example, make a brainstorm idea to start a coffee business in Yangon right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it'll create a mind map right here. So I can go around and allow, as you can see right here, and it starts out the action around over there, just like that. So if I were to go around and then wait right here, then what happens is that it simply goes around, talks to diagram right here, and then will generate out a diagram accordingly, as you can see right here. And this is the mind map, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and edit out with Miro right here, and then what happens is that it opens it up right here, just like this. So this is what I have, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work around with diagrams inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.